Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make yakitori tofu. Starting off, you're going to want 1 block of firm tofu, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sake, 2 tablespoons of water, and 3 or 4 spring onions. Now with the spring onions, we're going to chop them up into 2-inch pieces, keeping only the chunky bits. Now on a very low flame, we're going to take our time with this, we're going to add in all of our liquids and the sugar, and we're going to give that a very good initial stir. Next we're going to add in the spring onions, give that a stir, and work on the tofu. Now we're going to cut that into cubes. The cubes should be small enough but still bite-sized. We're going to let them marinate for about 10-15 minutes in the sauce, then we're going to remove everything and let that boil down to a glaze. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more. Now with a little toothpick, I'm just going to add 2 little chunks there, give them a bit of space so that they can cook evenly. I'm going to bake these in the oven on 180 degrees C or 355 Fahrenheit for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. At this stage you should have a nice glossy looking glaze. I'm going to spread some of that on the rice because we want some on every bite, and also on the plate so that when we're scooping that rice up, it's going to get a little bit of that very powerful flavour. As you can see, nice and cooked. Be very careful because these will have a tendency to stick. So just pull them off carefully or use a fork to pry them off. And there you go, folks. Look at how beautiful that glaze looks on there. Just absolutely stunning. I've garnished that with some mixed sesame seeds and a sprig of that spring onion, and there you have it. Now the tofu will absorb some of that glaze, so just keep brushing it on until it's ready to be served. There you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget, hit that like button, do subscribe, and leave a comment for more awesome vegan content from all around the world. Ciao for now, love you all, see you on the next one.